Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever considered traveling solo, today's video is for you. We're diving into some essential solo travel tips to help you explore the world safely and enjoyably on your own. From staying secure and being prepared to embracing the freedom that solo travel offers, we got you covered. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned traveler, these tips will enhance your experience and boost your confidence. If you're excited to start your solo adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest travel guides. Let's get into it. 1. Plan your destination carefully. When traveling solo, choosing the right destination is key to ensuring both safety and enjoyment. Research the area thoroughly, considering factors such as safety, accessibility, and the type of activities available. It's important to pick a place where you feel comfortable exploring alone and can easily navigate. Look for destinations known for being solo travel friendly, with a well-established tourism infrastructure and good public transport options. Also, consider local customs and whether the environment feels welcoming for solo travelers. Your destination sets the tone for your entire trip, so make sure it aligns with your travel goals and preferences. 2. Prioritize safety first. Safety is a top priority when traveling alone, and there are many small precautions you can take to ensure your peace of mind. Keep your valuables secure, especially in crowded places, and always know the local emergency numbers. It's wise to share your travel plans and whereabouts with a trusted friend or family member. Stay in well-lit areas, avoid risky neighborhoods at night, and always keep your phone charged. If you're going out, make sure someone knows where you are and when to expect you back. By staying aware of your surroundings and following basic safety tips, you can enjoy your trip without unnecessary worries. 3. Pack light and smart. Packing light is a game changer for solo travelers. Not only does it make traveling easier, but it also ensures you're not weighed down by unnecessary baggage. Focus on packing versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched, and include only the essentials, like toiletries, a power bank, and a good pair of shoes for walking. When traveling alone, you want to make sure your luggage is manageable and secure at all times. A backpack or small roller bag works best since it allows for more flexibility and control. Packing smartly also means you can move quickly and efficiently without worrying about dragging heavy bags along. 4. Keep your documents secure. When traveling solo, keeping your important documents secure is crucial. Consider using a money belt or a neck pouch to store your passport, ID, and credit cards in a safe, discreet place. Make photocopies or take photos of your documents in case they get lost or stolen. This way, you'll have a backup when you need to report a lost passport or ID. It's also a good idea to store digital copies in a cloud or encrypted file storage so they're easily accessible. Security doesn't just mean physical safety, it's about being prepared for unexpected situations too. 5. Stay connected. Even though you're traveling alone, staying connected with loved ones is an important aspect of solo travel. Regular check-ins, whether through a quick text or call, provide both reassurance and a safety net. Use apps and messaging platforms to stay in touch while on the move. Many solo travelers also find it helpful to join online travel communities or social media groups where they can connect with fellow travelers. These connections can lead to great advice, recommendations, and sometimes even new travel companions. 6. Embrace flexibility in your itinerary. One of the greatest advantages of solo travel is the freedom to be spontaneous. While having a general itinerary is important, it's essential to remain flexible and open to changes. You might discover new attractions, meet fellow travelers, or stumble upon hidden gems that weren't on your list. Solo travel allows you to go with the flow and make last-minute decisions based on how you're feeling or what catches your interest. Avoid overloading your schedule and allow time for unplanned adventures. 7. Trust your instincts. As a solo traveler, you will encounter many different people and situations, and it's crucial to trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's okay to walk away or change your plans. Listening to your gut will help you avoid potentially dangerous situations and make better decisions. Whether it's choosing a place to stay or deciding whether to engage with strangers, your intuition is your best guide. It's always better to be cautious than to put yourself in an uncomfortable or risky situation. 8. Choose accommodations wisely. When traveling alone, your choice of accommodation can make a huge difference in your comfort and safety. Opt for hostels, guest houses, or hotels with good reviews from solo travelers, especially those with shared spaces where you can meet people. Always choose a place that is well-lit, secure, and a safe neighborhood. Some solo travelers prefer accommodations that offer a social atmosphere, like common areas or organized tours, which can help you meet others. In addition to the basic amenities, consider the location's proximity to public transport or major attractions, making it easier for you to get around. 9. Learn the local language basics. Learning a few key phrases in the local language can make a huge difference when traveling alone. Simple greetings, thank you, and emergency phrases like help or where is the bathroom can go a long way in creating a more enjoyable experience. Not only does it help you navigate more easily, but it also shows respect for the local culture. You don't need to become fluent, but making an effort to communicate in the native language can enhance your interactions with locals and give you a sense of belonging. 10. Enjoy the freedom of solo travel. The most important part of traveling solo is to enjoy the freedom it offers. Solo travel allows you to be completely in control of your itinerary, your pace, and your choices. Whether you want to linger at a cafe, take a spontaneous detour, or relax at a quiet spot, you can do it without any compromise. Embrace the moments of solitude and reflection that come with traveling alone, and use them to connect deeper with yourself and your surroundings. Thanks so much for watching our solo travel tips video. We hope these practical tips will help you feel more confident and prepared for your solo adventures. Traveling alone can be one of the most rewarding experiences, and with the right precautions, it can also be incredibly safe and enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and safety advice. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video to help you travel smarter and more confidently. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next adventure.